Go ahead, Ben. You're gonna give her a ride? God bless you. God bless you. Woo! Jilly! Alright, give her a kiss. Give Jilly a kiss. Oh, it's like a choo-choo train. Oops, he crashed. Jill, back him up. Can you give Jilly a kiss, Ben? Or are you too busy riding?
Bye-bye, Ben.
Uh-oh, Ben. You better go get her.